Now today we will continue the section formula part, exercise 7.2, question number 5 onwards. So question number 5, exercise 7.2 is from coordinate geometry, exercise 7.2. The question is question number 5. The question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining, find the ratio in which the line segment, this is line segment A and B, 1 comma minus 5, B is minus 4 comma 5, is divided by the x-axis. So line is divided by x-axis. So this point is P. It is x comma y. Now ratio is k:1. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. अब यस्तो छ, first we have to calculate the ratio. First we have to calculate the ratio. So A and B, AB is the line segment which divides by the x-axis. यसलाई चाहिँ x-axis ले divide गरेको छ. x-axis ले divide गरेको छ means x-axis ले divide गरेको छ means त्यतिखेर y-axis is 0. In case y-axis ले divide गरेको थियो भने x-axis 0 हुन्थ्यो. त्यो कुरा याद राखिराख्नुपर्छ. If line divides by x-axis, then y equals to 0. If line divides by y-axis, then x equals to 0. यो कुरा एकदम याद राख्ने. Okay, now let the ratio be, k:1. Which divides the line segment joining the points A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 comma 5 by x-axis, and coordinate B and coordinate B Px comma y. Now first we have to apply the formula. Find a coordinate P x comma y निकाल्नु पर्यो. अनि यहाँ फर्मुला एकैचोटि लेख्न मिल्छ हामीलाई. Formula is section formula mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is formula. So this equals to, this is px comma y. Now put the values. M is k, this is m and this is n. M is k, x2 is minus 4 plus n is 1, x1 is 1 divided by k plus 1. M is k, y2 is 5 plus n is 1, y1 is minus 5 divided by k plus 1. So pxy equals to, this is minus 4k plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by k plus 1. So 5 into k is 5k, plus into minus minus 5 by k plus 1. We know that this line divided by x-axis. So line divided by x-axis means y will be 0. U portion is 0. So this portion is 0. So 5x minus 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 is 0. So since line divided by x-axis, line divided by x-axis, since line divided by x-axis, then y equals to 0. Now compare this. X, you x, so this is y. Y, this is y. X, y. So x is this and y is this. Then y equals to 0. Y is, value of y is 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 equals to 0. Now k plus 1 multiplied with 0, five k minus 5 equals to 0. K plus 1 into 0 is 0. So 5k equals to 5. K equals to 5 by 5, 515, 515. So k equals to 1. K equals to 1 and k is to 1 equals to 1 is to 1. So what is the value of k? 1. Now put the value of k in this equation. Therefore हामीले रेशियो पायो. अब हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ, कोअर्डिनेट निकाल्नु पर्यो. Therefore कोअर्डिनेट p x, y, this equals to, now put the value, minus 4 into value of k is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, here 5 into 1 minus 5 divided by k plus 1. K plus 1 is 1 plus 1. This is 1. 1 plus 1. This equals to minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Here 5 minus 5 divided by 2. So this equals to minus 3 by 2, comma 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 by any number is 0. अघि मैले भनेको कुरा थियो y एक्सिस इज 0. x एक्सिसले लाइन डिभाइड गरेको छैन, y एक्सिस 0 हुन्छ. y एक्सिसले लाइन डिभाइड गरेको छैन, x 0 हुन्छ. यहाँनिर 0 आउँछ. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेशन, क्वेशन नम्बर 6. Question number 6. The question is, question number 6. The question is, if 1 comma 2, if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram. So this is 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and last is 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. This is a parallelogram. So it is given that solution, this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, and this point is D. A, B, C, D. So this point is D. Now, since A 1, 2, B 4, Y, C X, 6, and D 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram. Vertices of parallelogram. यो चाहिँ vertices of parallelogram हो. किन मैले यसरी लेखेँ? यहाँ किन A, B, C किन यता लेख्दा हुँदैन त्यो भन्दा चाहिँ यो चाहिँ एरेन्ज अर्डरली दिएको छ. पहिला दिएको A, सेकेन्डमा दिएको B, थर्ड C, एन्ड फोर्थ इज D. नाउ यसमा हामीले x र y को भ्यालु क्याल्कुलेट गर्नुपर्ने छ. We need to calculate the value of x and y. Now draw diagonal AC and diagonal BD. Okay, look here. So midpoint of diagonal AC and midpoint of diagonal BD. So this is the intersecting point. Intersecting point, यो intersecting point छ. यो intersecting point मा चाहिँ यो चाहिँ midpoint भयो. Diagonal AC को पनि diagonal BD को पनि. This is the midpoint of diagonal AC and diagonal BD. भनेपछि midpoint एउटै छ. Intersect एकै ठाउँ भएको छ भनेपछि यहाँको point common point भयो. So हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ midpoint formula युज गर्नुपर्छ. Midpoint formula use गर्नुपर्छ. Since midpoint of diagonal AC equals to midpoint of diagonal BD. So now formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. अब हामीले सिधै गर्न सक्छ. This is x1, this is x2. So 1 plus x divided by 2. 2 यो AC को midpoint निकाल्दैछ. AC को यो point. So 1 plus x divided by 2. 2 plus 6 divided by 2. y1 plus y2. This equals to, now midpoint of BD, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 divided by 2, comma, y plus 5 divided by 2, y plus 5 divided by 2. So in second case implies 1 plus x divided by 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4. In right hand side, 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Now equating LHS and RHS, this equate with 7 by 2 and this equate with यो x हो यो y हो, x हो y हो. Okay, equate the left hand side and right hand side. Equating LHS and RHS. So now 1 plus x by 2 equals to 7 by 2. We can cut denominator. So x equals to 7, your right hand side minus 1. So x equals to 6 and y plus 5 by 2 equals to 4. This equal to this. So y plus 5 equals to, now cross multiply, 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. So y equals to 8 minus 5. So y equals to 3. Therefore x equals to 6 and y equals to 3 is the answer. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.